This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Slacken the relevant rear wheel fasteners. Then jack up the rear of the car and support it on axle stands. Remove the rear road wheels. Release the parking brake and remove the brake drums. If the brake drum is difficult to remove the access plug from the backing plate. Insert a small screwdriver through the hole, lift the adjuster lever off the adjusting wheel and turn the wheel with another screwdriver to back off the brake shoes. The drum should now come off. All 4 rear brake shoes must be renewed at the same time, but to avoid mixing up the parts, work only on one brake assembly at a time. Before disassembling anything, wash off the brake assembly with brake system cleaner and allow it to dry. Position a drain pan under the brake to catch the residue. Do not use compressed air to blow the brake dust off. Remove the upper spring. Remove the hold-down spring from the leading shoe. Unhook the lower return spring from the leading shoe. Remove the adjuster lever and the leading shoe. Remove the hold-down spring from the trailing shoe. Remove the trailing shoe from the backing plate. Then remove the retaining clip and detach the parking brake lever from the shoe. Clean the backing plate, then apply a thin film of high-temperature brake grease to the brake shoe contact areas. Connect the parking brake lever to the new trailing shoe and secure it with a new retaining clip. Place the trailing shoe against the backing plate and refit the hold-down spring. Clean and lubricate the moving parts of the adjuster. On the leading shoe, lubricate the contact point of the adjuster lever, then refit the lever. Refit the adjuster onto the leading shoe, then refit the adjuster spring. Attach the lower return spring to the bottom of each shoe. Then insert the adjuster into the trailing shoe, making sure it properly engages the notch. Secure the leading shoe with the hold-down spring. Fit the upper spring in the proper direction. Before reinstalling the drum, it should be checked for cracks, score marks, deep scratches and hard spots, which will appear as small discoloured areas. If the hard spots cannot be removed with fine emery cloth, or if any of the other conditions exist, the drum must be renewed or taken to an automotive machine shop to have it resurfaced. Refit the brake drum. To make a preliminary adjustment of the brake, turn the adjuster star wheel until the brakes just begin to drag on the drum as it is turned. Then back off the star wheel until no dragging can be heard when you rotate the drum. Depress the brake pedal firmly several times. Then rotate the drum to ensure that the brakes are not dragging. If they are, back off the star wheel a little more. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear drum brake shoes. Refit the road wheels. Then lower the car to the ground. Tighten the wheel fasteners to the specified torque. Make a number of forward and reverse stops and operate the parking brake to adjust the brakes until satisfactory pedal action is obtained. Check the operation of the brakes carefully before driving the vehicle.